Next adventure, scene 732, take one. Hello, Mac.
You're keeping bad company, Robert.
I know, I just can't help myself.
Me.
Lee, okay. I'm going.
Here comes Bobby.
Here comes Bobby.
Peter. Robert.
Says, I hope he falls in.
The dinghy is rather stable.
Yes, well done. Can you
Standing
do a
on the side
somersault?
of it, there is no other dinghy that you can stand on the gunnel of without tipping over.
Can you do a somersault for Mac?
Yeah, a little bit of the less of the chin movement and a bit more action. Double somersault back, Mickey Finn.
With a triple pike.
Oh, you've given the cameraman away with the shadow.
Hey,
This is tool cam.